Hey, this is Marius Perrone. I'm here to tell you about one of the classes that I teach here at the Audio Engineering Institute. Audio 101 is the first class that a student must take when he starts our program. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of sound and audio engineering. The class lasts for 10 weeks and meets once a week on Monday nights from 6 until 9 p.m. In the first 3 weeks of the class, I will teach you sound theory. That's about decibels, frequency, hertz, sound waves, etc. And you might say, "Man, I don't want to waste my time learning that stuff. I just want to learn how to mix my music." Well, later on you might get your hands on a mixing board or a computer and grab a knob to adjust the tone. And that knob might say that you added 3 dB at 2000 Hertz. Well, don't you think it might be a good idea to have a little bit of understanding about what those terms mean? And when you understand what you're doing with the knobs, you'll know how to adjust them to make your mix sound better. In weeks 4 and 5, we learn about microphones. What's the difference between a condenser and a dynamic mic? What type of mic would be good to use on a bass drum? What's the best way to mic up a piano? We teach you what microphone is usually preferred on a particular instrument. The 6th and 7th week, we study signal flow through the mixing board, how to set gain properly, and how to patch in effects. For the 8th week of the class, we bring in a band to record as a class project. We spend 3 hours recording just one song, slowly going through the process, making sure everybody understands each little step we take to get the recording done. We study mixing in the 9th week. We look at mixing on a real hardware mixer, and we compare that to mixing inside a computer. The 10th week of the Audio 101 class is the final exam. The test is in 2 parts. There is a written quiz with 100 multiple choice questions, and as long as you've been paying attention in class and taking notes, that test will be easy for you. The other part of the test is a hands-on mixing session. Each student sits down at the recording studio control room by himself and does his own mix of the band that we recorded in the 8th week of the class. He makes a CD of his mix when he's done. There are several courses that we offer here at the Audio Engineering Institute. Some are lecture classes and some are lab classes. Make sure you check out the other videos to get info on our complete program.